Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Lee, and I want to share with you how patterns and cycles, Hurst cycles, to be more specific, run in high collaboration. What I mean by that is here's Bitcoin, and members get this every day. Here we see a clear unit cycle. I don't care how long it might be. And if I say that cycle had reset right here, we can say that also coincided with a breakout of a downward bullish looking wedge of this type. Okay? And I think in this cycle, it'll go higher past the midpoint, thereby becoming a right translated peak. Right translated meaning it peaks on the right half of the cycle. And the reason why I'm thinking like that is because pattern is saying that we have another pattern here where we can call this and continuation inverse head and shoulders, and I can name this as a left shoulder, label this the right shoulder, and call this the right shoulder. And this is very bullish. And this is a microcosm of what we've seen back in early in the year when I said to the members to jump back into Bitcoin at 17,440. And this wedge breakout is significant, and if price can break out above the inverse head and shoulders, we are looking at much higher highs. And that here would give us a guesstimated minimum one to approximately 41,000. And that is why, from a collaboration of the pattern and cycle perspective, I see this right translating into this cycle. Now keep this in mind, a wedge and an inverse head and shoulders and the cycles. Because back when the correction, the bear market was raging, I gave attention to members saying we have a wedge, a bullish wedge. And if we break out, okay, then we can say a 54 nominal cycle will likely reset. And that's exactly how it played out. Now this is looking to be exactly what I've shown. From a pattern perspective, here was the head and shoulders, where we can clearly, visibly see how this here is the left shoulder, right here. The right shoulder was here, and this was the head. Now we see how it's broken out and higher highs. And in this microcosm right here in the short term that I showed you is a precise, near precise fractal of what I'm showing you here from a pattern, double axial pattern, the inverse head and shoulders and the downward bullish wedge, and now triple axial with the Hurst cycles. There's one more thing called event analysis, which I do not share publicly. That is only for members. Hey, we're ton deep in profits right now, not only with Bitcoin, but if you follow me on Twitter, you'll see the kaboom tweets of 70%, 20%, whatever trades that we put out. And if you want to join as a gold member, because only gold members get the trade alerts, come on over. The membership fee is nothing because I get emails from members telling me they've made 200-300% profits. Have a good day.